of class 8th. Today we are going to start MT chapter 12 Human Rights. This is the last chapter of your MT annual syllabus. Human rights refer to the basic right and freedom to which all humans are entitled. It includes civil and political rights such as the right to live with liberty, freedom of expression, and equality before the law, and social, cultural, and economic rights. We know about all the rights. Perhaps we have noted that almost all the nations in the world violate human rights. Now, let us study how human rights are violated in our country. We know that getting good nourishment, education, and good living condition are the fundamental human rights. Every people have rights of getting them without any discrimination. But in our country, who do not get them are not in thousand or lakh but in millions or crores. In many villages, the student not get proper education, proper food and nourishment, and they have very poor living condition. Now in villages, in cities also, the people live in slum area, not get proper education, good nourishment and good living condition. Beside this, many people beside this the people who live in cities and belong to a well to do family, they also face problems like the peoples who live in metropolitan cities. They face the problem of having healthy environment to live and clean water to drink, because in that area the increased in pollution and increased in uncovered and unclear drainage and garbage spread disease due to pollution and dirty water. So they face problem of having healthy environment, and due to this they face many types of diseases. Many people run their vehicles without caring for the smoke. Very often they delay in service of the vehicle, result in increased amount of smoke coming out of the vehicle, and they pollute the environment. Many people use high pitch electric horn and cause noise pollution. Some people violate the human right of people and run their industries and factories which pollute the environment on greater scale. Some people violate the human right by adulteration, by food adulteration also, the human right violated of having good foods. Now the greatest danger that not only violate human right but threat to the human civilization is terrorism. Moreover, corruption in public life, among politicians and in administrative system violate basic human right of living peaceful and honest life. Human rights give us a chance to lead a good life. Therefore, we all must fight for the protection of our human right. Thank you.